guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my spring makeup tutorial. So I do this every year on my channel. This is my 2022 version and it's going to be very pinky, very subtle, very natural today, and it's all drugstore and affordable products as well. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so for primer I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Primer, using my Real Techniques stippling brush to apply it. And then for foundation, I'm using the No. 7 Hydraluminous Moisturising Foundation in the shade Porcelain. And I'm using my Morphe M439 brush to apply it. This is a very hydrating, dewy, natural foundation. Then for concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm blending that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. And then for powder, I'm using the Natural Collection Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Neutral. And I'm using my e.l.f. small tapered brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my Spicy 31 brush to set the rest of my face. Then I'm not going to contour today, I'm just going to bronze. So the bronzer that I'm using is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the light bronzer version, so it's the palest one. And I'm just going to bronze up the skin a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. Using my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. And then for blush, I'm going in with a very pinky blush, perfect for springtime. So this is the Colourpop Pressed Powder Blush. It's the Disney Designer Collection, and it's in the shade Enchanted Mirror. So it's a very pinky, gorgeous blush shade. So I'm applying that with my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. It does come out quite heavy, so you don't actually need to apply that much. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Lunch Money. This is quite intense, so you don't need to apply that much. And I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush to apply it. Okay, now moving on to the eyes. Okay, so today I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Mini Quad. So this is the e.l.f. Eyeshadow Quad in the shade Rose Water. So it's very pinky, neutral shades, and my eyeshadow today is going to be super simple, super natural, super easy for springtime. So I'm going to use my Morphe E27 brush, and I'm going in with this pinky pale shade here, just a little bit through the crease. And I'm going to take that same shade then on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. So as you can see, that's just giving me a very natural, subtle transition. I'm not going for anything bold today. I'm doing a very natural makeup look. So now I'm going in with this sparkly shade on the end here with my little finger all across the lid. So as you can see, it's a very natural, very everyday, simple eyeshadow look. And these eyeshadow quads are super affordable. I think they're only about £4 or £5 each. So really affordable. Now I'm just going to set my face with some setting spray. So this is the Colourpop No Filter setting spray. I'm just going to spray it up into the air and let it fall on my face. Now for eyebrows, I'm using the Glossier Boy Brow Eyebrow Gel Clear. Then for eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Glide On Slide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. Then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Now for lips, I'm just going to line my lips using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Beijing. And then I'm going in with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Dream On Lip Gloss in the shade Strawberry Daiquiri on top. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my quick, easy, simple and affordable spring makeup tutorial 2022. So I hope that you liked it. I hope this helped you if you're looking for some new makeup for spring and some new ideas. So if you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!